After the Amazon KDP June 2025 updates, something unfair happened. Not because of rising costs, not because low content sales dropped. A competitive imbalance was created between KDP publishers. Most people do not even see it. If you sell low content books or medium content books, you need to hear this. If you started Amazon KDP before June 2025, you probably remember this. But if you started after June 2025, you may not even know this update happened. In June 2025, Amazon changed the royalty rates for print books priced below certain list prices. And they clearly said this. The new royalty rate may affect your minimum list price and estimated royalties. If you make updates to book details or content after June 10, 2025, you will be required to update your list price to reflect the new minimum list price. Many publishers updated their prices to protect their profit margins, but some did not. I will talk about the possible reasons later, but right now, this is creating a serious competitive imbalance across almost every category. Let me show you a few examples. I think most of my audience is interested in coloring books, so let's start with one of the most popular niches, bold and easy coloring book for adults. As you can see, most of the sponsored books are priced at $9.99. That makes sense. Publishers want to keep their margin high enough to run ads. But look at this one. It's priced at $4.73, almost half the price. We will check the details later. Here's another one at $4.73, same publisher. And this one is from the well-known Cocoa brand, priced at $9.99. If you look at the rest of the first page, most books are around $9.99. There are only a few exceptions. Now let's sort the page by price from low to high. This is how you can easily detect books whose prices were not updated, and that may be creating a competitive imbalance. Again, you will see books priced at $4.73, $4.99, and so on. I don't want to expose a specific book, so I blurred the product detail page of one of them to help you understand the problem better. First of all, this book is independently published. It's a KDP book, 100 pages, 8.5 by 8.5 inches, priced at $4.73, published in 2024. When I enter these details into the printing cost and royalty calculator, the minimum list price should be $5.68. As you can see, the publisher did not update the price after June 10, 2025. That's why the book is currently priced below the new minimum list price. Of course, we don't know why some publishers did not update their prices. I think some of them are no longer active on KDP. Maybe they quit and stopped checking their dashboards. Maybe they had account issues with other books. Another possible reason is this. They might have a huge catalog and simply did not want to update every single listing that does not sell well. I can say from my personal experience, it takes a lot of time. But what's interesting is this. Some active sellers also did not update certain books that are still selling quite well, even though they are currently making zero royalties. They are still publishing new books under the same author name. This means they are clearly active and aware of the changes. They know they are making zero royalties from these books, yet they still do not adjust the price. And I have seen this in different medium and low content book categories. If you check your own categories, you might also see books priced below the minimum list price that are still selling well. And I believe these books are taking a share of total sales in an unfair way. We know some customers sort by price from low to high, just like I did. When that happens, these cheaper books get more visibility, more clicks, more sales, more reviews. Even if the publisher is making zero royalties today, once the book gains enough visibility and ranking, they can increase the price later and start taking more sales from you. In my opinion, Amazon should suppress books priced below the minimum list price from the search results to ensure fair competition. However, I am not sure whether they will do it or not. At the moment, they are not losing money. They are not paying royalties to the publisher, and they are offering cheaper books to customers. This may also push other publishers to lower their prices in the long run. I don't know what to think about this. Have you noticed books like this in your categories? Do you think this is fair? I'm really curious about your opinion. Write your thoughts in the comments. Share this in your KDP Facebook groups so people can discuss it. Maybe we can push Amazon to address this issue. Waiting for your comments. See you in the next video.